Ready to ditch the payment gateway headaches and unlock a whole new world of customers? First, head over to your Shopify admin panel and click on Apps. Then find the Shopify App Store in the search bar. Type in Skrill and locate the official Skrill payment app. Make sure it's the legitimate Skrill app to avoid any security risks. Once you've found it, click the Add App button. You'll be redirected to a page asking for permission to install the app. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Install App to proceed with the installation. Now, you'll either need to log into your existing Skrill account or create a new one if you don't have a Skrill account. The app will guide you to the Skrill website to register. Fill in all the necessary information accurately, including your business details and banking information. After creating your account, you'll need to verify it by providing the required documents, such as proof of identity and address. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account and transactions. Once your Skrill account is set up and verified, go back to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Settings, then click on Payments. You should now see Skrill listed as a payment option. Click the Activate Skrill button or complete the connection process as prompted by the app. This usually involves entering your Skrill account details or API keys, which you can find within your Skrill account settings. Finally, run a test transaction to make sure everything is working smoothly, and that's it. You're now accepting Skrill payments on your Shopify store, giving your customers more payment options and boosting your sales potential.